Hello everyone, and welcome back to Semi-Controlled Chaos, and today we're playing the Chronicles of Riddick: Escape from Butcher Bay. In the last episode, we went through the hellhole of a sewer and met Pope Joe. So, let's see what kind of mischief we can get into today. Oh. I don't know if you can see it, but there are feet in that stall. Light switch. I could see in the dark, but you can't. Nope. Blip. Gun. Give me that body. I don't want anybody finding you. Dragging you back. Back to the past. Sorry. New Samurai Jack came on. I've had it in my head for like days. Now, something I didn't know. There's the stall here. Flush the goddamn toilet, because I doubt he did it before he died. Oh, that's cool. You can actually turn on the water. I never tried that before. But there's like no other stalls until you get right here. Apparently you can go in this one, and I never realized that.
Someone's here. I'm gonna check.
Yeah, I didn't realize that either. At least some of the door will close now. No, of course not. Why would it? But I've never tried that before. Used to, this guy was always a pain in my ass because he would see me before I could get to the guy in the next room. Well, he was in the next room too, but he would always see me. So maybe that's what I was supposed to do. I never tried that before. But I'm going to drag him to the same spot just in case. I use them to cover up the manhole cover so as the fucking creatures can't climb up through here. There we go. No, not you. Give me this one. Yeah, there we go. I'll say it's about 450 pounds of manly meat on top of that man cover to stop anything from getting through. Hey, Twitch. Burp-a-doo. Well, where the fuck did he go? There he is. Oh shit. Yeah. I tried to strangle him and it glitched through him and I turned on the light switch right next to him. Just hope no one heard those like consecutive gunshots in a row. There we go. Okay, there's a... I guess I picked it up, never mind. There's a pack of smokes in here, I think. I didn't know I could open these lockers. Cool. Anything in them?
The wolf moves.
Yeah. I didn't know that was in there. Sweet. Is that money? Did I pick it up? Alright, is anything in here? Yeah, give me that assault rifle. Looking for a hat, because I don't think I have one of those. It just occurs to me. Oh, pack of smokes. What do we got? Yups. Sure. But it just occurred to me that card that I was probably bitching about in the last episode was probably a money chip or whatever the fuck these things are.
What the hell are you doing? I know you.
Okay. So yeah, I thought he was just gonna come up to me and I could like do a dialogue option or something. But I was right. In my head, I was right. I do have to just completely stay away from these asshats. And that was a big ass puddle of blood. For anyone who cares to look at the ground. Come here. I tried knocking on all these doors and it doesn't really do anything. Like occasionally you'll get some guy who sounds like he's half drunk.
Come back later. I'm practicing my speech.
Did you not hear those gunshots mysteriously outside your door?
So they dragged this Riddick to the pit. But he jumped and took some rookie down with him. Abbott was furious, man.
No kidding. I saw him a half an hour ago. He was heading to his billet. Everyone gave him a wide path.
Stress is gonna get him.
Okay. I was gonna hold my breath there going, oh, are they gonna recognize my glorious bald shining head? Burgers, fries. I can't tell if that's a hot dog or a cigarette. I'm gonna say it's a cigarette given the context. In my head, I'm thinking to myself, I should probably try to kill these guys. But At the same time, I'm thinking it'd probably just be a better idea to just walk away and leave him.
Maybe.
Because I mean, as is, I'm kind of incognito around here. I just need to avoid getting, like, up close and personal with him. Yeah, this is all fairly new territory to me. Retina scanner. That's not gonna work for me. I need a dead body. Alright. What do we got around here? Look like some secrets. Aha! A ventilation hatch. I wonder, can I climb on these though? Nah. Okay. God damn it, I need a vent tool. I am apparently stuck. Oh! Shit, it's triangle. There. Okay, so it was triangle to get up. I was an idiot. As usual. Alright, so I need to go back this way. There's another path I could have taken. I need a vent tool. It says welcome, but apparently I'm not welcome. I'm a bit confused as to where to go. Thought I knew. And apparently I can still get kinda close to the guards without having them flip their shit. I wonder if they'll get mad if I do this. Yeah, they get mad. I got a theory. Just a crazy fucking theory, but it just might work. Can I give him a wide berth?
Stop messing around.
Fuck you. Oh well. Said last only so long. Triangle. Alright, got me a dead cop, merc, where the fuck he is.
Unauthorized eye pattern scan. Alerting security. Please remain where you are.
Gonna need some eyes. Abbott.
Such creative names. I'm really just focusing on playing right now. I'm sorry if I'm again not talking very much.
Surrender, scumbag. Oh yeah.
Another hatch, but I don't have a tool. Aha! There we go. I wonder if that's where this leads back to. Ventilation shaft. There we go. Okay, kick this shit open. Yeah, it's not noisy at all. There's a dead body. Okay, so now I have the vent tool. That's a step in the right direction anyway. So I wonder if I really could have just, not had to kill anybody. Probably would have been easier that way. Alright, let's see. Where do you lead? Oh, magical ventilation shaft. Aha! A ladder. Is it just some grating? Okay. Bag of smokes. Cumulative affliction. Okay. Hello. Ooh.
Access granted.
Oh, I wonder, can I do the thing now?
Unauthorized eye pattern scan. Alerting security. Please remain where you are.
Oh, come on, I was dragging the body. What else do I need to do?
Unauthorized eye pattern scan. Alerting security. Please remain where you are.
Oh, do I have access to areas I didn't before? Okay. That's very odd. I mean, I'm not trying to get political here, but it kind of looks like... Nah, never mind. Not gonna do it. But anyway, that's all the time I have for this episode. I have to cut a lot out because I got interrupted quite a few times for this. But if you guys like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment. It really helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.